What's up guys? Hello everyone, this is me, Kimnambra. Today we are gonna unbox a new Korean bead set. And this is my channel's first video. So if you like this, I hope you will like and subscribe. If you subscribe, I am very hopeful. So before starting this, please don't forget to like and hit the subscribe button for new videos. So this is my first video, so just let's start this very quickly. So this is the thing that I was talking about, and this is from Meesho. So if you want this, I have just uploaded the link in the description box, so please go and check. So here is the box. Let's open it. Wow, this is so good. This is what's in the table. Thread and the freebie of HairBand. So here's the beads. And here is the thread. And here is the HairBand that we got for freebie. So let's not wait any longer. Let's do this. And to do this, you have to take this and tape to fold it and secure it at the end of the hairband. So for this video, I'm only gonna do this hairband and some jewelry. These are bracelets. I will do it in a next video or in something short. So please stay tuned. And now I'm just going to bring my tape. Okay, I've got the tape that I wanted. So let's start this. There are just so many options that I don't know what to use. Oh my god. I'm just gonna fill this. So I don't have any idea of this to fill this, but I think so. We have to use this also. Wow, this sounds so nice. Now I can apply this. Wow, this is so beautiful. So this much is for my first video. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. If you subscribe, I'm very hopeful. So hit the bell icon and the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Bye bye. See you in another video. Kamsahamnida.